What's up guys, welcome back, another video. This is Alex over here in the garage. Today I'm gonna show you something and I'm gonna make you a little remember something. Remember the video where I show you the Outfitr bike rack that I had that they sent me out? Well, this time they sent me something else. Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. They reached out to me again and they sent me this 250-pound EZ-Swing Pro, and this is gonna be an attachment for a Hitch receiver, and then you can attach anything else to that. Let me show you exactly what we're talking about. Let's open this thing up and see what we got. By the way, this is a really heavy box. Okay. Set this on the ground. I don't know if I need to put it together or not, but let's find out. Well, it's packaged like this, pretty well packaged, I think. Let's take it out of the box and see what we got. All right, so it seems like this is already put together. That's a great thing. I don't have to put it together. I will just have to connect this to the receiver on my car. It's a 2-inch swing away, low capacity, 250 pounds, Young electric. Again, this is from Outfitr. They sent this to me, and it comes with a manual and also a little box. Let's see what we have in this box. Seems like it's gonna be an anti-rattle kit. Yep, that's exactly what it is. Comes with the U-bolt, the washers, lock nuts, and I have something else over here which is really good. I have a lock. It comes with a security lock. Again, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below, and you're gonna get a discount if you purchase from this link. We're gonna go ahead and put this on my vehicle, on my Audi, and show you exactly how it's done. All right, so I just noticed something. The key right here, this side is threaded, and also this side is threaded. So we might not even need the anti-rattle, but we're gonna go ahead and use it anyway. So let's go ahead and set this up, show you how I'm gonna put it on. And I don't know if you can hear, but there's a lot of planes flying around because the Ellington field is around the corner. We're gonna try this anyway. Let's see what we got. Now for this, comes with a washer and a compressor washer, and you can't take it off. Keyhole is covered. So we just open this up, and it has a little rubber O-ring over here. I like to put this afterwards, so I'm gonna take it off. And all right, for this is a 15/16, and that's what I'm gonna be using to tighten it up. So let's go ahead and get this started. Since we have this, I really don't think we're gonna need the anti-rattle, because this should take care of that. Yeah, with this thing, there's no need for an anti-rattle. That thing is not budging, not one bit. show you. Not going anywhere. Okay, so let's see what we have. We have a lock mechanism right here. Pull the trigger and it unlocks it. But you can't move it yet. So for that, we're gonna have to lift this pin. Now, this thing should be able to pivot and get things out of the way. How cool is that? Now let me show you that this thing should not budge. $250 pounds capacity. I'm right there at the edge. I'm 220, 210 right now. About 220. It's not doing anything at all, and it's all the way open. Now let me show you something else. And this is why this thing is so neat. You have your cargo space right here. You can open this up. Once everything is off the side, you have all the space in the world to get in here, and boom. Now again, pin down. And I have over here something that Outfitr also sent me, and we can just go ahead and put this on like this. Boom. Let me find the pin real quick. Oh, I was looking for the pin, but it's already here. This is the one for this one. Line this thing up. Demonstration purposes only. And if you don't remember, this thing just opens up like so. Well, imagine that you have two bikes over here, super heavy. You want to access the trunk. Yes, you have a lot of space, but you can always pull the trigger in this, open it up, unlatch it, pin, and this thing will swivel all the way, and boom, easy access. When you look at that. Now let's test something else. I don't remember how many pounds this bike rack was supposed to hold, but here we go again. So Outfitr, that's gonna wrap it up for this one. Check the affiliates in the description below. If there's a code for savings, I'll link it down there as well. Really nice things, really heavy duty, highly recommended. That's it for this one, and let's ride. Goodbye.